If you're on the fence about doing Dylan's course, I want to encourage you to do it. Really, I mean, if you've been watching and you're interested, don't wait around. If you have the finances, now I don't recommend that you go into debt, but you will get so much information out of this. It'll be so helpful for transforming not only your Etsy shop, but your life. I've been an Etsy seller for more than 10 years. I've done very well. I've made over $1 million on Etsy. Um, done very well. But I need a little help. And I was um, looking at some of the different people that were advertising and sharing information on YouTube and on Instagram, and everything just seemed to fall flat. And then I saw Dylan's videos, and there's something very special about Dylan. It's not only her passion for people, but it's her passion for her knowledge and wanting to help and coach people. And it shows in everything that she does. Her course has so much valuable information in it. Um, Everything from how to do SEO to even how to even open up your shop, like all the details on what to say and how to cover yourself and your policies, um, tags, titles, keywords, product research, product opportunities. There is just there's it's so detailed. I'm telling you, if you want to take your shop to higher heights and bring in a whole lot more money, don't hesitate. Just sign up and do it. Now, if you can add the coaching on with it, then I also recommend it. The amount of help that you get, just detailed, very detailed information on each listing, even. And the results that I have been seeing in people across the board has just been astounding. I mean, you've seen them too. You've been watching on Instagram. You've been seeing Dylan's posts on the amazing increases in finances and in views and the revenue that everybody's been having in her course. So just do it if you can. Now, I will be honest, since I signed up, I've had one health challenge after another, and I personally, unfortunately, have not been able to apply everything to my shop. So I can't tell you like a dollar amount that the course has increased for my shop. But I will tell you that the value that she's added to me in my mindsets and my thinking bigger and out of the box, it's made all the difference in the world. It's been money well worth spending. And I know that when my health challenges improve, which they are, hey, I could sit here. Listen, 6 months ago, I couldn't sit because of a car accident. So, anyway, um, I'm telling you, it's worth every penny. And I encourage you to go ahead and get off the fence and jump in because your world is ahead of you and abundance is yours.